What if your next smartphone could redefine how you capture memories, multitask, and stay powered all day? Meet the Samsung Galaxy P1 5G, a device packed with features that make it more than just a phone. Stick around as we unpack why this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. The Samsung Galaxy P1 5G is here, boasting impressive specs like a massive 6.9-inch display, a 108MP camera, and a 6,700 mAh battery. Let's dive straight into the details to see what makes this phone a contender for your pocket. Now we'll talk about a display. Starting with the display, the Galaxy P1 5G sports a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED screen. It's large enough to make streaming videos, gaming, or even reading a joy. The Corning Gorilla Glass protection ensures durability, so scratches and accidental drops won't ruin your day. Plus, the always-on display is a game-changer for those who need their phone accessible without constantly unlocking it. Whether you're a gamer or love binge-watching, this screen disappoint. Now we'll talk about power-packed performance with ample storage. Performance matters, and the Galaxy P1 5G delivers with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This chip ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and a seamless gaming experience. RAM. Choose between 8GB or 12GB based on your usage. Storage. With 256GB or 512GB options, you'll never run out of space for apps, photos, and videos. Need more? The expandable microSD slot supports up to 1TB, so storing large file is effortless. Now we'll talk about battery. A smartphone is only as good as its battery, and Samsung knows this. The 6,700 mAh battery promises up to 36 hours of usage on a single charge. With 33W fast charging, you can power up quickly when time is tight. No more worrying about running out of juice in the middle of your day. Out of the box, the Galaxy P1 5G runs on Android 14, offering the latest features and optimizations. And here's the exciting part, it's upgradable to Android 15, so you're ready for future innovations without needing a new device. This phone doesn't skimp on connectivity or security. It supports 5G, ensuring ultra-fast internet speeds, and includes sensors like fingerprint ID, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and more. Whether you're navigating through apps or unlocking your phone, it's all smooth and secure. Power in your hands is not just about features, it's about how effortlessly a device integrates into your daily life. From its stunning display to its powerful processor and incredible camera setup, the Samsung Galaxy P1 5G is more than just a smartphone, it's a reliable partner for your daily needs. So, is it time to level up? Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.